Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is to tell you why should you fill the SAT form. I mean, the reasons why should one fill the SAT form. CAT is over. If you're planning to do an MBA, I think you should fill the SAT form for many reasons. Either you're really good or you're looking at average colleges. Let's look at the reasons as such. Right? So if you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Right? We do have various courses post the CAT examination. Now, one big advantage is that number of colleges do accept XAT. I mean, top college XLR is one of the top 5 colleges in India, and people normally have perception that XLR is only good for HR. No, it is good for all specialization. Remember, they have marketing, finance. All the top companies do come for XLR. It's one of the top 5 colleges, and if you're looking at any specialization, I think you should write that exam. It's a good backup option as well as a good college. If you're aiming for top XLRI, almost all top companies come. Apart from that, many good colleges that do accept MICA, mainly for advertising marketing. It's located in Ahmedabad, Exam, Bhubaneswar, IMT Ghaziabad, IMAT, Delhi, Great Lakes, Chennai, Goa Institute of Management, Tapni, Soman. Number of good colleges. I mean, the decent colleges where you can apply to. You are looking at admission to these colleges. So one advantage is, and apart from this, many other colleges that accept that schools. So one advantage is, yes, there are a lot of colleges do accept, do write the SAT. So it gives you a good backup option, for CAT exam as such. Second is, if you're not very strong in content, more verbal bias. I mean, the paper is more biased towards verbal. The CAT, if you look at it, 2 out of 3 sections are calculation based, DILR and quant. Whereas in XAT, there are 2 sections without calculations. Like verbal and DM do not have calculations. So automatically for people who are slightly more, tuned to verbal, and so they have an advantage out here a little bit more than a quant. The CAT is, like I said, more favored towards people who are good at calculations and mathematics, etc. XAT is more favored towards the verbal section. Right? That is the second. Third is it's easier to score higher percentage. A lot of students from who only aim for top colleges do not write SAT. I mean, there are people in the final year who say, let me give one more attempt for CAT, or people who are in the top college don't write SAT. So yes, so easier to go, and the percentile are lower. If you look at a percentile, XAT percentile are comparatively lower. So there are a lot of students, who may not have performed well in CAT, but do perform well in XAT. I mean, it's easier to perform well in XAT as such, because as a competition is lower. Also, you're already done preparation for CAT. So most of the preparation is done. So it's not difficult. I'll give you an example. I mean, I had a student who actually went on a holiday. I mean, a full 1-week trip after his CAT exam, enjoyed, wrote a few mocks, just prepared a little bit for DM and wrote the exam. Scored 99.98 percentile in SAT. I mean, he did well. He scored a 96-97 percentile in CAT, but 99.98 is a big jump as such. And no major preparation as such. So if you're prepared for CAT already, a lot of preparation is already done to some extent. Right? Last date is 30th November. Do fill the form if you're interested in doing an MBA this year. All the best.